Does the idea of being on camera intimidate you? Do you get this unwell type of feeling in the pit of your stomach? Would you rather have a root canal than make a video for your social media? Well, my friend, I'm here to tell you, you are not alone. My name is Lacy with another marketing mastery tip. Over 70% of adults in the US use social media. Of all the different types of posts your dental practice can be using, a few of the most successful are live video, videos, and personal photos. What do all three of these things have in common? Well, you. You are the face of your dental practice. You are the one patients come to see, but being comfortable in front of the camera is not the same as providing treatment to a patient. So I'm here with a few tips to help raise your confidence. First, start talking out loud to yourself. The more comfortable you are hearing yourself speak, the more natural you'll be talking to a camera. As an exercise, pick a topic and talk non-stop about it for 2 minutes. Then find a familiar space to set up your camera and lighting. A place that you're comfortable in and has limited distractions. That same principle can be applied to your appearance. Pick an outfit that makes you feel like $1,000,000. Confidence is key. Next, practice. As a dentist, you know the more you practice, the better you get. You can use a script or rehearse with a friend. Then fine-tune as you go. And please, don't be too critical of yourself. You're human. Mistakes are going to happen, and that is okay. And yep. What is wrong with me? I'm sorry. You know the more, Focus on the value of your message and the information you are providing. The audience can sense your sincerity, and that is what they'll connect to. So just be yourself, and above all, have fun. See you next time.